Namaskar. Welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I am your instructor Neha. Welcome to day 10 of our 30 days 10 minutes series. Congratulations, today you will be completing one third of this series and you are in a habit of practicing yoga for 10 days now. So my best wishes for you to continue this journey. Now, if you are practicing for the first day, I would please request you to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest videos. Don't forget to share these videos with your friends and family so that we all can benefit and we all can be in a good shape and good health. So now, please open your mat, settle down on your mat, sit comfortably into Siddhasana or Sukhasana. Place your hands gently on your thighs, eyes closed. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Calm down. Let us become aware of our body, our breath. Let us be completely present into the moment. Let us set our intention for the next 10 minutes. Relax. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Welcome back to the session and we will start with our practice. So for that, please lie down on your back. You can go into one side and then lie down on your back, or you can fold your legs like this and gently roll down on your back. Settle down into the space. Place both your hands on the side. Legs will be straight. Okay, we'll go for leg raises. Lift your right leg straight up. Try to press your knees straight. Toes are pointing in and down. Left leg straight up and down. Again, right, down. Left, down. Right, down. You can keep your core muscles engaged. Left, down. Right, down. Left, down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Now place both your hands under your hips. Okay? Like this. And we'll go with both the legs together now. Inhale, both the legs up. Now press your knees, toes pointing in and down. Engage your core. 2. Take energy, strength from your core. 3. Down. Don't forget to breathe. 4. Down. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Take a breath. Keep your hands at its position. Just take a breath here. Inhale and exhale. We will repeat one more time, and this time we'll not touch our heels down, okay? We'll not touch or keep our legs down. We'll simply move it between 90 and 10. 90 and 10. Simply in a swinging motion. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now we can release our hands as well. Relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Calm down. Now we'll continue with the twisting motion. Place both your hands on your shoulders like this. Okay, now lift your right leg up and place it on your left knee. And now drop your knee to your left and neck to your right. This way. Observe the twist in your spine, in your abdomen. Hold, keep holding, keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To your center, leg straight and opposite. Now place your left leg on your right knee. Turn your knee to your right, neck to your left. Stretch and hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center and again opposite with your right leg. Twist, stretch and hold. Don't forget to keep both your shoulders on the ground. 4, 3, 2, 1. To your center, leg straight. Again, opposite with your left leg. Twist and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Leg straight, hands down. Inhale and exhale a deep breath. And now fold your right leg on your stomach. Press it. Lift your neck up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Neck down, leg straight. Press your left leg. Lift your neck and hold. Try to touch your nose to your knee. Slowly neck down, leg straight. Both the legs together now. Lift and hold. Slowly neck down, leg straight. And relax. Again, take a breath. And now slowly turn from one side and come on your stomach. Now we'll go for bow pose, Dhanurasana. Fold both your legs together and hold your ankles like this. Place your chin on the ground. Once you feel ready, lift your body up. Stretch up as much as you can. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Take a breath. We will repeat one more time. Again, inhale and up. And slowly come down. And relax. Place both your hands one over another. Rest your head on it. Relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Once you feel relaxed, just turn to one side. Okay, with the support of your hand, lift up. And come to your comfortable sitting position. Sit comfortably. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. Feel the movement in your chest. Relax. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you for practicing with me. You have completed your 10 days today. Congratulations on your victory. Continue practicing for 20 more days to complete your challenge of 30 days. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.